Hey guys, good to see you again. We've been so busy, we've had to come and get a drink.
Good job in finding out all about Task 1. Now let's talk about Task 2. This is the fun stuff.
In Task 2 we are going to use what we have learned to make our own inquiry. We would like to find the answer by measuring around our school playground or classroom.
Mrs. Carr has done one as an example. She decided to measure the longest building in the school so we could create a handball court behind the longest building.
You will find links to these examples in the Webquest as we go along. Have a look at them to give you an idea how to present your data.
So, what you need to do is, Mrs. Carr will divide you into small groups. Each group needs to decide what they want to measure and why.
You can measure anything in the classroom or the playground. You could choose to measure how heavy things are, their length, width or volume. It's up to you.
You do need to make a decision about what you need to measure and why you need to measure it.
Then as a group, you need to get your maths book, what you need to use to measure what you have chosen to measure. Mrs. Carr will help you.
As a group, you then need to measure all your items and record their measurements in your maths books. That is the first part of the task.
After you have done that, the rest of the task needs to be done on your own. This means you get to choose how you present your information.
You need to present your information in your maths book in list form, in an information report and in a graph form that you choose.
This Webquest will teach you how to create all these different documents and help you to choose how you would like it to look.
If you have spare time and would like to do more, you could choose to present it in another type you choose.
Don't worry, you don't need to remember all this information, it was just to give you an idea.
This Webquest will give you all the information you need to complete these tasks and you will be able to look at Mrs. Carr's examples and instructions along the way.
Have fun and learn heaps.
See you soon.